I'm attorney Farrell Green with RSH Legal. Learning that your child has cerebral palsy can be devastating. Suspecting that this condition happened as a result of medical malpractice in Iowa is even more heartbreaking. Let's talk about what cerebral palsy is. The term cerebral palsy is used for a group of neurological disorders that affect movement and balance. It occurs in infants and young children when neurological damage affects the developing brain. There is no cure for cerebral palsy, but the condition can be managed with ongoing treatment and care. There are a variety of reasons that cerebral palsy can occur in a child. Unfortunately, negligence by doctors or other hospital staff during birth is one reason for cerebral palsy. The easiest way to know if your child's cerebral palsy was the result of negligence during birth is to speak with an Iowa medical malpractice attorney. A malpractice lawyer who has experience with birth injuries can have your child's medical records analyzed by experts. This analysis will help prove that medical malpractice occurred. There are a few common causes that link cerebral palsy to medical errors. These include failing to monitor fetal heart rate during labor and birth, delay or failure in performing a C-section due to fetal stress during labor or birth, using a vacuum or forceps improperly during birth, causing a lack of oxygen to the baby's brain. If you suspect your child's cerebral palsy was caused by a medical error, you should speak with a medical malpractice lawyer as soon as possible. Iowa medical malpractice claims have a limit on the amount of time you have to seek compensation for injuries. It's called the Statute of Limitations, and for Iowa personal injury claims, it's generally 2 years from the date of the injury. That means if you do not settle your case or file a lawsuit within 2 years, you may lose out on your right to be compensated for your injuries. That doesn't mean you should wait until that deadline gets close. Medical malpractice cases are very complex cases. An attorney can need anywhere from 6 months to a year or more to properly investigate your claim and determine malpractice has occurred. Expert analysis of your child's medical records, research into your child's conditions, and other factors go into examining your case. That is why you should speak with a lawyer as soon as possible. If your child has suffered cerebral palsy at the hands of a medical doctor in Iowa, call RSH Legal today at 1-800-433-0283 and speak with one of our medical malpractice attorneys.